John Link at Apache Village RV Center. I am standing out in O'Fallon, Missouri at Highway 70 and Highway K right now with something really exciting to announce. So we have broken ground on our new dealership. It's going to be an 11-acre, well, just under 11-acre facility out here on Highway 70 at Bryan Road. You can see behind me, everybody's hard at work and has already cleared the space for this beautiful dealership. Turning around right here, we're already working on the foundation for the new showroom. So we're gonna have a giant showroom, 11 service bays, massive service center, brand new facility, all state-of-the-art, featuring all the brands you're familiar with that our family company has represented for many years now. So we'll have Jayco, Fleetwood, Keystone, Bontrager Outdoors, and maybe some surprises coming up too. So keep an eye on the development of this facility. They're telling us it's gonna be about a year, it'll be done. But we're gonna have a beautiful new dealership out here. Our family, we couldn't be more excited and honored to announce this. Take a look at a quick video of us celebrating the groundbreaking with the the O'Fallon, Chamber of Commerce. And comment below, we're excited to share this with you guys. It's gonna be amazing. So looking forward to bringing our business out here to the O'Fallon, Missouri community and serving you guys the same as we have up in Hazelwood since our grandpa started the business back in 1976. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to the future. Little trophy, huh? Oh, yeah.
All right, hello everybody. My name is Mick Meyer. I'm with Apache Village RV Center. We're out here for our groundbreaking ceremony right off of Highway 70 and Highway K. We are a family-owned and operated business. I've got my family here with us today, and we are the third generation. All right, so we have always focused on customer service during and after the sale. I can guarantee you no one can give you a better buying experience than us. No one works harder to keep their customers happy than we do, but we're excited to be out here, and this is my brother Jack. He's going to tell you kind of what we're going to do out here with service and what we sell.
So, well, first off, our grandpa started Apache Village back in 1975. At the age of 25, our dad purchased it from him. And so he's grown our Hazelwood location to what it is today to give us the opportunity to do something like this. So big thanks to our dad, John Meyer, and everybody else with the Apache Village family. It goes way back. Everybody at Apache's like family. Looking around, everybody is family. You want to say something, John?
Absolutely.
This is my cousin, John.
Yeah, John Link, we really appreciate the city of O'Fallon for giving us this opportunity. Want to thank our amazing team as well. Over the years, there's been so many folks that have worked for our dealership. And, it's been a long history, almost 50 years now that Apache Village has been around. And we have plenty of people that have been with the company more than half of that time. And that type of experience and that type of culture is what we want to bring out here to O'Fallon to make sure, like we said, everybody has the best buying experience possible in the RV industry. So thank you all so much. Oh, you have your own mic.
I got my own mic.
I'll pass this one back.
Well, first of all, on behalf of the 100,000 residents of the great city of O'Fallon, we want to thank you for investing your family's business into the great city of O'Fallon. It's a great location, as you said, Brunges Drive, Veterans Memorial Parkway. You can't have a better location. I know you guys own this property for 17 years.
Yep.
So now at least we're going to have something here that can benefit the whole community. We look forward to the ribbon cutting when you guys open this place up, and maybe you can get Linda here to get in an RV.
There we go. All right. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
All right.
We are excited for you, and we're ready you take some still pictures to really capture this moment. So grab your shovel.
All right.
Yep.
Look out, Caroline.
Yeah. Just put your shovel in the dirt for now. There you go, just like that. Look over here for stills. Awesome. You're doing great. That sun feels so good, doesn't it? All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to, on the count of 3, you're going to dig, and then you're going to toss it lightly in front of you, okay?
All right.
Right towards me, okay? Ready? So 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
There you go.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Woo! Let's go. Oh, I wish I would have gotten that on camera. Where's that beer? I'm in third.